Hi, this is a Bengali Rasgulla I'm making. This is called Sana in Bengali language, and I think it's in English it's called Cottage-Cheese. And you have to boil 3 liter milk, and then you're adding the vinegar, and then the milk will be splitting to making a cheese which is called cottage cheese. And then you drain the water, and then you put it into the tray, and you just mixing by your hand like until it's very fine. And then you add 2 tablespoons sugar, white sugar, and then you mixing this until it's becoming as a flour, which you can see. What have I done? But, before you mix, mixing, put 2 tablespoons white sugar, and then you mixing this. You miss the first part of the boiling, but then after you boiling, you made the cheese, and then you add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and then you mixing in a tray like flour until you think it's a flour. Then it's ready to make a bowl, which I'll show you in a second. You see, and you have to do maybe about 20 minutes to half an hour just to make the fine mix. And then all you need just to make a bowl. You can see, don't make too big bowl, otherwise it's going to be very too big in a saucepan. It might be splitting up. But this is how you need to do, making very well mix again in there, so it's holding tight when you finally putting into the saucepan. Complete. And then we are moving now into adding sugar in water in a saucepan, and then we're going to boiling this in the sugar water. I'm just adding about 10 spoon, which is about 60 ml sugar. 10 of them I did. And now I'm boiling it with sugar water. The water is now boiling, the sugar water. Now I'm throwing the bowl in there. This bowl is going to boiling but also you adding like bay leaf and some cardamom to give you a better flavor. Plain flour. Just 1 tablespoon. Make sure you're mixing properly so it doesn't get like this. You need to get like liquid in there with the mixing with the water. And now I'm adding this plain flour water This is most famous Rasgulla in Bangladesh and Kolkata.